Record. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, hello. Yeah,
Morning.
hello. So it's a pleasure for me to finally meet you all, and then we could have this first session of English Grammar 1 class, and I'm really happy to see you all, and I cannot wait to to learn grammar together with you, and also we can share anything about it. Okay, guys, so how are you today? Have you had your breakfast? Udah sarapan belum?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Yeah, so I hope by having your breakfast, we could have like the optimum energy, yeah, to follow this course. Okay, guys, so welcome to English Letters Department. Yeah, actually, you have been welcomed like yesterday, but I'm going to welcome you all again, and also welcome to English Grammar 1 class for Class E. Yeah, so we have like 6 grammar classes, and for this semester, I will be your lecturer, but I like to say as like learning companion, as we are going to learn together. So I'm not being what we call as teacher or something like that. So we are going to be in the process together. Yeah. And my name is Almira Gasani Sabrina Romala, and you can call me Almira for short. And I guess several of you have known me, as about 6 of you in this class is in my GPA class, and the rest is Mrs. Ka's class. Yeah, your GPA. Yeah, your academic advisor is Mrs. Ka. Okay, so guys, today in this first session of English Grammar 1 class, we are not going to have the material, so we're going to have like a warm up activity. Yeah, and then I hope you could follow and join it without any problem. So today, yeah, we would discuss the syllabus of the course. Yeah, do you know syllabus, guys? It's like the course plan. Jadi kayak silabus rencana pembelajaran. So we are going to discuss what materials that we are going to discuss for this whole semester, and then we are going to discuss the class agreements also. So what to do and what not to do in this class. And then we're going to discuss the references for this course also, guys. By the way, before we start, can you access the Belajar website, guys? Is it working on your computer?
No, miss, it keeps on loading.
I'm stuck at the
I
loading
see.
screen, miss.
Loading, loading.
Yeah. So that's mine. So everyone has the same problem, even me. Although actually I have, perhaps if you have checked it like yesterday or the day before, I have put some materials for our classes. But as today we cannot access it, I will share it to you by using the share screen. And I will send the files later in our group. So I will send the references, the syllabus. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Okay, so don't worry, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. I guess it will be better for us to discuss the syllabus first, and also the how our course will be going. And then at the end of the course, we would like to have the, what is it, getting to know each other, yeah, guys, while we are waiting for the others, so that everyone in the end can introduce, yeah, themselves, yeah, guys, so that we could know each other. As mostly I only meet you for the first time. This is the first time I meet you virtually. Okay, yeah, guys. Is it okay? Yeah. We are going to discuss the syllabus first. By the way, if you have problems reading the shared screen, please let me know, you guys. You can send me the chat, or you can unmute yourself. Okay, and then for the attendance list, I will mark you manually, so you don't need to click to the attendance list. I will do it by myself, in the introduction time. Okay, so I will call your name one by one, and then I will mark your attendance list. So it's like like what we did in the offline class, yeah, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, we have to be prepared for everything that is not going to our will, right? Okay. So guys, yeah, let's discuss the syllabus first. Yeah, I will explain you what English Grammar 1 class is. Okay. So I will share the screen. Okay. I will send this to our class group. Don't worry. Okay. So yeah, you're looking at the syllabus or the course plan. Yeah. Actually, in the practice, usually I talk in Bahasa Indonesia and also English. So I did bilingual. Yeah. So that we don't have the language barrier. Okay, so you can ask me in English or Bahasa Indonesia. It's okay, guys. So what we are going to focus here is the competence or the understanding of the material. So yeah, don't make it a burden to us. Okay. Okay, guys, our class is English Grammar 1, and it has 4 credits or 4 SKS. It means that in each week, we will have 2 classes. Each has like 100 minutes. Yeah, our classes are in Monday and Tuesday, right? So tomorrow we will meet each other again. Oke, jadi 4 SKS ya guys. Satu minggu kita ketemu 2 kali, hari Senin dan hari Selasa jam 8 ya. Di jam yang sama. But don't forget that the meeting link or the Zoom link to join this session is different. Monday is different and Tuesday is different. So I will send you another link for tomorrow's classes. Okay. And another fact about this class, usually in offline classes we have tutor. Jadi sebenarnya kalau kelas Grammar 1 itu punya tutor. Tutornya itu kakak tingkat kalian. Jadi kayak semacam apa ya, kayak kelas tambahan gitu. Isinya kalian bisa latihan soal, terus juga bisa tanya-tanya ke kakak tingkat kalian. But since we do it online, so I guess we only have so far from the information that I get, we only have like these 2 classes. Jadi please maximize our meetings karena terbatas ya, karena cuma 2 kali seminggu. Tolong dimaksimalkan pertemuan ini. Kalau misalkan kalian ada pertanyaan, langsung tanyain aja ketika Zoom meeting atau di grup juga boleh. Okay. So feel free to ask anything about this material for English Grammar 1. And then guys, we will have several subjects or several lessons for Grammar 1. And it's quite, what I could say. It's like a bit complicated, but we'll do it in a fun way. So guys, I will explain you the lessons for this semester. So we will start at today. We are just having the introduction. I will introducing you the classes and also the courses. And tomorrow we will get started with the materials. Yeah. By the way, do I speak too fast or is it okay? Can you follow?
Miss.
No,
You
it's
can
fine.
follow me, right?
Hmm.
Just ask me if you cannot hear my voice clearly or anything. Okay, guys. So tomorrow we'll start the materials. Yeah. So please be prepared. If you cannot access the LMS Belajar, I will send you the link later in the group. So don't worry. Tomorrow we will have the basic sentence pattern. So we will learn several types of sentences. Jadi jenis-jenis kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris. So that you know the types of sentence. Perhaps in bahasa Indonesia you know about kalimat tunggal, kalimat majemuk. Nah, seperti itu. Kalimat transitif, intransitif. Ya, guys. And then you can prepare for these courses with the references or the link that I will share later. And then let's continue to next week's classes. After we discuss the basic sentence pattern, we will have the material of subject-verb agreement. So we are going to learn how to compose sentences with paying attention to subject and verb agreement. Ya, kan subject sama verb agreement itu it is a essential thing in composing sentences. Jadi ini kayak the basic skills in composing sentences in English. And then after that we will have simple sentences. Ya, jadi ini jenis kalimat berdasarkan tenses ya. Ini yang simple. Ya, we will start with simple present, simple past, simple future, and past future. Simple past future. Okay. And then after that, we are going to continue with the next type of tense, progressive tense, or it is also called as continuous. So present continuous, present progressive, past progressive, future progressive, and past future. So we're going to discuss it by using the tenses, classified by tenses. Okay, that's for third week. And then after past tenses, we are going to discuss perfect tenses. And then we are going to cover all kinds of tenses, guys. Jadi dari past perfect, perfect progressive, ya pokoknya semua jenis tenses nanti kita akan bahas. Ya semoga cukup ya waktunya, as we have only like limited time. And then after that, we will have the progress test. So this is like a review of what we had discussed about the type of sentences. Jadi ini kayak progress test tuh kayak semacam kuis gitu. Pasti mungkin kalau di sekolah tuh kayak ulangan harian. Nah nanti mencakup yang the first material and then from this gitu. Jadi materinya itu. And then after that, in the end of this month, we will have noun phrases. Jadi kita ada materi tentang noun phrases ya, frasa nomina. Nah ini we will have several weeks covering this karena banyak materinya walaupun cuma noun phrases. And then after that we will have models. Nah, masih ingat nggak models itu apa aja? Contohnya kayak can, will, may, might, shall itu. We will talk about this. And then after that we will have review. And this review will prepare you for the midterm test. Is scheduled from 19 to 30 or 31 October. So we're going to have like 2 weeks duration of midterm test. One of the session will be for English Grammar 1, and it will be done online. So we're going to see the development of the LMS Belajar. If it is still having the problem, we can have the another alternatives like having it via Google Form or the other platforms. So don't worry, guys. Okay, so we're going to have it in the scheduled time, yeah, guys. And then after the midterm test, we will have passive voice or passive structure. And then after that, we will have the coordinating conjunction, yeah, and several other materials on conjunction. Okay. And then after that, we will have the second progress test, and it will cover the material from after midterm test to before this. Okay, so for the progress test, for the midterm test, and then also the final test, you won't have like all the materials together as the, as the subject to be learned, guys. But make sure you have a good score for each test. Yeah. So I will explain you the way of the test later. Yeah, and then after progress test, we will have connective or transition. So it's actually similar to conjunction, but it has different function. And then after that, we will have gerund and infinitives as the last subject or as the last lesson in this English Grammar 1 class. And yeah, the last meeting in December 1, we will have a review to cover all the materials that we have learned so that you will be prepared for the final test. Yeah, so we have total 14 meetings, 14 or 13 meetings for 13 weeks of meetings. Yeah, so I hope we could cover all the discussion, but actually I'm planning to make it fun and also not demanding. Yeah, as we did it we are doing it online, and then I believe that several of you or even me can perhaps having problems in having these classes, guys. So by the way, let me know if you have anything about this class, yeah, guys. And then the activity that we are going to have in these classes is explanation and also some class and group discussion. We could make use of our WhatsApp group if we still cannot access the forum or chat feature in our LMS Belajar. And then there will be also assignments and exercises, and also some quiz or fun activity. Usually I did that. Okay, so far do you have questions, guys, with the lessons that we are going to have for this whole semester? It seems that it's quite complicated and difficult, but don't worry, guys, this is only the start. You will have like a whole more complicated lessons for English grammar too. Yeah, I mean it, guys. Okay, do you have questions? Do you have something to be asked about the materials so far? Ada pertanyaan nggak, teman-teman? About the lessons, tentang materi-materi kita semester ini? Yeah. I will also send you a kind of ebook, for the references. usually the materials are taken from Betty Azar's book. So it's this, yeah. I have sent the PDF version also in the LMS Belajar. I hope it will be working soon, and then we will have also an exercise book. Yeah, later I will show you after we have done with this syllabus. Oke, ada pertanyaan nggak? Saya kira nggak ya. Ini masih pada semangat kan? Nggak lemes? Okay, guys, let's continue with the evaluation in this Grammar 1 class. Okay, suara saya masih jelas kan ya? Okay, so guys, I have several aspects here. So your final grade, yeah, those A, B, C, D, E, and F. Ya. Jadi nilainya ada 6, A, B, C, D, E, F. Ya, semoga semuanya bisa dapat A ya. I hope everyone could get an A. So the first aspect to be graded is your class participation. This covers your attendance, your participation in discussing, and also in answering my question, and also in group discussion or group assignments. Yeah, so attendance is also very important, and also your participation. If you're active in my class, yeah, you will get a higher point. Yeah, if you don't have like a good score for class participation, I'm afraid you cannot get an A. Yeah, so it is I think you could maximize this aspect. And then we will have also assignments as another aspect to be graded. It's also weigh 10% of the final grade. There will be like assignments, both individual and also group assignments. It will be done online, yeah, through Belajar or another platform. Yeah, we're going to see it later. And then both the progress test that we will have during this semester will weigh 15% each. Okay, guys. And then for midterm and the final test, they are 20 and 30%. Okay, guys. So make sure you maximize all the grade here. Yeah. So yeah, that's about the evaluation. No question, right, guys? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Final test and mid-semester test have like a high percentage, so make sure you don't miss them. Yeah. If you cannot join this test, like perhaps the progress test or midterm test or the final test, please let me know before the schedule. Yeah. So we could set up like the makeup test. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian nggak bisa ikut progress test, midterm sama final test, please let me know. Tolong beritahu saya sebelum jadwalnya. Jadi biar kita bisa bikin ujian susulan, ya. If you contact me after the schedule, I will not accept it. Kalau kalian kontak saya setelah jadwalnya, saya nggak bisa ngasih makeup test. Gitu. Jadi ini memang udah kesepakatan ya, oke? Okay? Ya, okay, so please let me know. You have my number also in the group, jadi feel free to contact me about perhaps some lessons in our class, or if you need perhaps if you're having problems in submitting assignments or with the schedule. Okay, and then let's continue with another notes. Kita lanjut ya ke aspek lainnya ya. By the way, guys, in this class, you need to attend the class. Minimum is the minimum percentage is 75. Jadi minimal kalian datang 75%. Nah, 75% dari berapa nih? Bentar. kalau nggak salah tuh maksimal bolosnya itu 6 atau 4 ya. Ya sekitar 4 sampai 6 lah gitu. Kalau kalian absen lebih dari itu, berarti nanti kalian akan otomatis dapat F. Ya, you will get an F as your final grade gitu, guys. Jadi jangan sampai kalian dapat F cuma gara-gara kalian bolos dan nggak ikut kelas gitu ya. Gitu. Jadi selain kita Zoom meeting, itu attendance-nya itu juga bisa dilihat dari assignment submission gitu. Kan kemungkinan ya kita nggak bisa Zoom meeting terus-terusan kan. Ya mungkin aja nanti ada kelas yang nggak pakai Zoom meeting, jadi kita cuma diskusi lewat belajar atau dengan platform yang lain gitu. So please pay attention to the attendance ya, dengan cara ikut kelas Zoom meeting dan juga submitting assignments gitu. Jadi jangan sampai ada satupun tugas yang ketinggalan gitu. Sayang banget kalau misalkan satu nilai itu hilang cuma gara-gara kalian lupa atau terlambat mengumpulkan. Just let me know if you have problems gitu. Kalau misalkan kalian ada kesulitan dalam mengumpulkan tugas, ya langsung japri aja gitu. Ya. And then guys, if we have a Zoom live meeting, ya guys, you have to be punctual, and perhaps you could stand by like before the class gitu. Biasanya kalau kelas offline tuh mulainya jam 7, cuma karena ini online jadi sengaja dibikin mulainya jam 8 gitu. And then the maximum tolerance for lateness is 10 minutes. Ya, 10 minutes ya. Nanti kalau misalkan setelah 10 minutes, jadi antara 11 ya, misalkan jam 8 lebih 11 sampai jam 8.30 itu saya tulis late. Kalau lebih dari itu, berarti nanti kalian ditulisnya sebagai absent, ya bolos gitu. Tapi kalau misalkan kalian sakit dan nggak bisa ikut kelas, please let me know before the schedule. Kalian kasih tahu dulu sebelum jadwal kelasnya biar saya tahu. Oh, misalkan si Ritang kemana nih? Kok nggak kelihatan pas di kelas? Oh, ternyata dia sakit, dia udah WA saya duluan. Gitu. Jadi kabarin apapun kalau misalkan ada apa-apa ya. Okay, and then guys, this is what I have discussed with you before. No late submission of assignments and tests will be given without prior notice and arrangement. Jadi kalian wajib ngasih tahu sebelum jadwal. And then participation in class or group discussions and all activities is required. Nah, jadi kalian diminta untuk tetap aktif ya dalam kelas walaupun kita nggak bertatap muka secara langsung, ya. Yang penting kalian tetap aktif menjawab dan juga ketika diskusi grup dan juga grup assignments. Jadi walaupun nanti kita online ya kita coba ada grup assignments ya biar kalian juga berinteraksi sama teman-teman kalian. Okay, so you will get to know your friends, guys, in this class. Okay, so that's about the syllabus, guys. Kalian ada pertanyaan nggak? Ini mau tiba-tiba buka Grammarly. Okay, guys, do you have question with this? Ada pertanyaan nggak tentang syllabus ini? Saya kirim di grup ya, saya kirim Google Drive link. Ada pertanyaan kah? Nanti kita juga akan punya our class Google Drive folder ya. So we could have like this as our backup folder. Kalau misalkan belajar itu nggak bisa diakses, ya. Okay, do you have question, guys? Mungkin dari notes-nya or do you have another question regarding our class mechanism? And then, untuk kelas Zoom meeting, guys, jadi kita walaupun teorinya itu 100 menit, tapi kita nggak full 100 menit kok nge-zoom kayak gini. Soalnya kan will cost a lot of what is like internet data, yeah, internet data, and then also it will be very exhausting. Like, what is it? Yeah, watching screen like all the time. Kan kalian juga punya kelas yang lain. Jadi nanti kalau kelas yang live, saya ngejelasin live pakai Zoom, itu nanti nggak full 100 menit ya guys. Ya paling ya 1 jam itu udah lumayan lah. Gitu. Jadi kalian nggak usah takut, wah nanti sekitar 2 jam ngadep laptop terus, grammar gitu kan pusing. So don't worry guys. Tuh. Ada pertanyaan nggak? Apa nih? Is there a question?
Miss, sorry for interrupting.
Oh ya, halo.
I wanna ask about tentang itu, Miss, tentang submit tugas, Miss. Kan seperti yang Miss bilang kan, itu tuh sebelum jadwal. Ya, yang masih saya belum paham itu yang maksudnya belum jadwal ini sebelum hari H-nya atau gimana?
Biasanya sih kalau tugas tuh saya set deadline-nya tengah malam. Atau jam 6 sore gitu ya. Nah, itu kalau misalkan kalian you have problems and you are afraid that you will submit it late, misalkan kalian lagi ngerjain ya gitu. Nah, itu misalkan kalian ada masalah, kalian kasih tahu aja gitu. So I know why you are late in submitting the assignments gitu. Jadi sebelum deadline-nya. Deadline itu biasanya beda-beda sih. Kadang midnight, kadang jam 6 sore, tergantung nanti kita kesepakatannya gitu. Jadi misalkan kalian lagi ngerjain. Nah, kebetulan tugasnya ini cuma waktunya cuma 1 hari. Misalkan saya kasih hari Senin, ternyata itu buat besok pagi. Nah, ternyata kalian seharian tuh di rumah mati listrik, kan nggak bisa ngerjain kan. Nah, kalian bisa ngasih tahu saya. Nah, tapi kalau tugasnya itu like I give you for more than 1 day, ya itu kalau itu sih harusnya ya kalian bisa nggak ngerjainnya tuh nggak mendadak gitu ya. Jadi biar antisipasi kalau misalkan nanti ada problem ketika di detik-detik terakhir, entah LMS-nya error atau listriknya gimana atau internetnya gimana gitu. So don't be a procrastinator. Nah gitu. Gitu ya. Jadi khusus kalau tugas yang time span-nya itu sedikit atau pendek, I will reconsider it. Gitu. Tapi kalau misalkan untuk beberapa hari ya namanya kalian kerjain duluan biar waktu submit tuh nggak ada masalah. If you cannot submit it today, you still have time tomorrow or perhaps later. Gitu, ya. Okay. Another question. So what's your name, Agung?
Yes, you can call me Agung too.
Okay, thank you for the question, Agung. Does it answer your question or do you have another question?
I still have another question.
Yes, what is it?
Terkait dengan ujian susulan itu yang Miss bilang itu apa sebelum jadwal itu juga berlakunya seperti submit tugas juga, Miss.
Biasanya kalau tes itu kan udah ada jadwalnya kan, udah dipublish duluan jadwalnya. Nah ini dari silabus juga udah ketahuan. Misalkan minggu depan jadwalnya progress test, pasti saya ingetin. Nah jadi kalau misalkan kalian nggak bisa ikut online tesnya, itu kalian kabarin aja sebelum itu. Atau ya maksimal pas hari hanya lah gitu. Misalkan hari ini ujian jam 8, ya paling nggak jam 8 ini kalau kalian nggak bisa login, kalian bilang. Tapi ada sedikit perbedaan grading ya untuk yang make up tes dan juga yang ikut yang ujian dengan sesuai jadwal yang asli gitu. Jadi make sure you have the Saya mute dulu. Waduh. Yeah, make sure you can attend the the regular schedule of the test gitu. Nah, misalkan nih, kalau misalkan hari ini ada tes, terus kalian lagi demam, hari Minggu ya kalian WA saya aja. Ngapain kalau kalian demam? Terus kalau misalkan ternyata kalian bisa ikut, kalian juga ngabarin gitu. So just keep me informed gitu aja sih. Tapi kalau misalkan jadwal tesnya udah selesai, misalkan tadi udah selesai jam 9, terus jam 6 sore kalian baru WA, ya saya nggak bisa bikin ujian susulan buat kalian gitu. Jadi pokoknya kalau ada apa-apa langsung kabarin aja. Itu ya, oke.
Okay, Miss, thank you for the explanation.
Okay, thank you Agung. Another question from Bionti. Oh, Bion. Oh, Cesar. So what's your nickname? So for the review, ya, sebenarnya actually for each classes, each meeting, we will have like a kind of review. Jadi reviewnya tuh kayak semacam mengulang. And then for the each beginning of the class, we will have also the review of the past meetings gitu. Tapi kalau review di sini untuk yang sebelum test itu maksudnya kayak rangkuman soal-soal like gitu. Nah, nanti dari soal-soal itu ntar kita bahas mana yang kalian masih belum paham. And then the review is also I design it to make it as close as the final as the test question gitu. Jadi kita kayak apa sih? Kayak try out gitu loh. Kayak simulasi tes gitu. Jadi view-nya itu dalam bentuk we are answering the question and then we are discussing the question and then we are going to talk about the matters that you haven't understood gitu. Jadi nggak semua materi itu dalam 1 hari ya. Pusing dan nanti meledak. Gitu. Okay, you're welcome. So what's your nickname? Cesar, Bion. Kan saya jadi bingung mau manggilnya siapa ya, namamu panjang. Oh, oke, Bion. Oke, thank you. Another question, guys. Apa lagi? Okay, so for this we have 28 participants. Jadi saya login pakai 2 akun ya, satu pakai akun saya sendiri sama akun kelas. Jadi biar saya bisa lihat juga penampilannya seperti apa sih di HP kalian gitu. Okay. Usually you are having this online class by using your smartphone or by using your notebook or laptop, guys. Kalian pakai apa nih device-nya?
Laptop.
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 Okay. Sip.
Laptop.
Jadi kalian masih bisa pakai HP kalian ya? Bisa. Nah, nanti kita ada what is it like warming up activities dengan cara answering questions later, guys. Jadi kita main quizzes. Ya, kalian pernah main quizzes nggak? Pakai quizzes di sekolah? Yang jawab question ya nanti kita coba ya. Oke, about the syllabus.
Miss.
Pakai Kahoot. Ya itu semacam Kahoot juga sih, cuma bedanya pertanyaannya nanti di HP kalian gitu. Semacam itu. Oke, do you have question guys about the syllabus? Gitu. Ini materinya emang to be honest is like very compact. Jadi sebelumnya tuh kalau sebelum kurikulum ini ya, grammar itu nama mata kuliahnya structure tuh sampai semester 5. Cuma mulai kurikulum yang baru itu cuma 2 semester. Ya makanya kenapa matanya sampai seheboh gini guys. So I hope we could cover all the materials dan bisa paham semuanya ya. At least you could apply this in your composition class or your speaking gitu ya. Paling nggak kalian bisa pakai this grammar construction atau kalian pakai struktur kalimat-kalimat yang kita pelajari itu di kelas writing atau speaking gitu kan. Jadi biar kalimat kalian bagus dan bervariasi. Jadi nggak cuma teori doang, nggak cuma jawab soal doang, tapi bisa kalian pakai juga gitu. Oke, guys. Ada pertanyaan nggak? Sebentar, saya jawab chat dulu nih ya. Ada yang nanya soal kelas grammar kita. Dia belum dapat link Zoom. Oh, ini udah dijawab ya. Ya ini guys, kayaknya emang belum semuanya masuk grup kan ya, karena nggak semuanya itu bisa akses belajar. Oke, ya kalian sambil brainstorming another questions. Oke guys, bingung juga saya. Kadang ngechat, terus saya juga harus lihat laptop. Oke. Oke. Do you have question guys?
Miss, kan di situ kan tadi ditulisnya kalau telat maksimal 10 menit. Kalau misalnya kita punya problem connecting yang memerlukan waktu lebih dari 10 menit itu gimana, Miss?
Oh ya, itu nggak apa-apa, nanti saya consider. Tapi kalian kasih tahu dulu ya, paling nggak kan kalian bisa WA gitu. Gitu aja. Yang penting kasih tahu. Intinya itu kalian proaktif aja. Kalian kasih tahu aja. Ini kan kayak semacam apa ya? The formalitasnya gitu ya. Formalitas dalam kelas gitu. Jadi masa kelas nggak ada batas toleransi kehadirannya kan? Nanti pada datang telat semua.
Oke, Miss, thank you.
Oke. Tapi paling nggak dalam 10 menit itu kita coba untuk mulai ya. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian telat ya, konsekuensinya you will miss the materials and also mungkin juga bisa considered as late. Itu ya. Okay. Do you have another question, Stephanie?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
That's all.
Ada lagi nggak pertanyaan, guys? Mumpung bisa tanya langsung, jadi nggak perlu tanya di grup ya. Ya, biasanya kan kalau di grup tuh kadang suka kelewat gitu loh. Ya nggak sih? Re, kamu mau tanya nggak, Regina?
No, ma'am.
Oke. Tisha mungkin, Tisha? Enggak. Ritang. Itu tumben kamu
Halo,
lemes.
Miss.
Belum harapan ya?
Iya.
Oh ya guys, during this class ya, feel free to have your drink. Kalau kalian biasa minum susu pagi-pagi ya nggak apa-apa, kalian sambil sedia susu sambil minum gitu pas kelas. Ya kalian juga boleh makan tipis-tipis ya, tapi ya Maksudnya ya makan snack gitu lah biar nggak lapar gitu kan, ya sambil ngemil ya biar bisa. Jadi nggak ada alasan, aduh nggak bisa jawab nih karena saya pusing, lapar gitu ya. So kalian boleh makan tipis-tipis tapi ya nggak yang heboh juga gitu ya. Nanti malah justru membuat teman-teman kalian salah fokus gitu ya. Karena ada yang makan, dia makan apa nih? Kayaknya enak. Jadi salfok. Nah, gitu kan makan tipis-tipis aja. Kok paling enggak kira-kira nggak kelihatan gitu lah. Nah, nanti selama kelas juga nggak harus kalian full on video sih. Jadi bisa kalian offin nanti gitu. Kalau misalkan pas saya ngejelasin, tapi nanti kalau pas diskusi ya paling nggak kita sambil lihat wajah masing-masing ya. Kalau misalkan diskusi tapi kita nggak lihat wajah lawannya kan kayak ngomong sendiri gitu nggak sih, kayak menatap layar dengan tatapan nanar kayak gitu. Gitu guys. Jadi kalau pas penjelasan kalian bisa off video kalian. Nah kalian bisa sambil, kalau pas off video bisa sambil makan, bisa sambil minum. Nah, yang penting jangan salfok aja sih. Dan jangan malah, biasanya kan ada wajah kita nih, kan kita jadi, kalau pengalaman saya di semester sebelumnya tuh teman-teman tuh pada gini, malah pada sibuk ngaca gitu loh. Kayak ngeliat ngerapin rambut gitu, terus kayak ngeliat make up kayak gitu ya dandan boleh, tapi yang penting matanya tuh jangan sampai ketinggalan ya guys. And then for each session I will record this and then upload it to YouTube, but I will need some time to upload it. Jadinya kan pasti filenya ini kan gede dan uploadnya juga butuh waktu, jadi nggak bisa langsung dalam sehari itu langsung up gitu. Mungkin I need like several days to upload this. Jadi kalau misalkan kalian terpaksa nggak bisa ikut kelas penjelasannya, you can watch it on YouTube gitu. Tapi kan lebih enak ikut kelas langsung kan, bisa langsung tanya jawab gitu. Okay, another question sebelum saya tunjukin di references bukunya ya. Ada pertanyaan nggak so far? Kita udah berapa menit nih? Ngantuk ya guys. 50 menit. Ya udah 1 SKS ya. Ke 1 SKS. Lumayan. Nah, nanti kalau misalkan udah di-up di YouTube, nanti saya juga masukin linknya di Belajar. Kalau nggak down ya. Semoga nggak lama-lama lah. Sedih juga guys, saya udah nyiapin materi tapi belum bisa diakses. Oke, no question, right? Nah, nanti kita bahas ini lanjut di grup kalau misalkan ada pertanyaan tentang silabus ya. Kita lanjut ke references yang kita pakai. Oh, ini bisa guys, bentar. Saya ganti share screen-nya ya. Mana nih? Kontrolnya. New share. Oke. Nah, kelihatan nggak guys? Screen-nya ganti kan? Ganti? Ya. So this is my page on Belajar. Nah, ini. Jadi di sini saya udah masukin beberapa file. The first one is the syllabus. Nah, ini silabusnya udah saya upload. Ini saya upload juga di grup. And then this one is the meeting of the Monday class. Nah, nanti yang Tuesday ntar saya masukin juga dan saya share di grup juga. Terus this one, ini reference, ini yang buku Betty Azhar tadi, yang bukunya lengkap banget. Ini juga kalian bisa sambil untuk mempelajari materi-materinya dan juga exercise-nya. Di situ banyak banget exercise. Jadi kalau misalkan exercise yang di salah satu buku itu kurang, kalian bisa ngerjain dari sini. Oke. Nah. Sip. Oke. And then ini nanti attendance-nya saya aja yang isi buat hari ini, jadi nggak usah khawatir. Nanti saya yang isi berdasarkan daftar di sini. And then this one references. Nah, ini referensinya, ini exercise book-nya, ini modul. Modulnya ini seperti ini, so we will use it as our exercise book for this semester. Ini sementara belum ada perubahan dari yang tahun lalu. Nah, ini isinya like short summary of the materials of the lessons and also some exercises gitu. Jadi ini di sini kayak summary, jadi kayak semacam penjelasan singkat gitu. And then we have many exercise here gitu guys. Nah, please download this module ya guys. As usually I use it in our class. Jadi exercise-nya saya ambil dari sini gitu. Jadi biar kalian juga punya filenya. Itu ya. So this is the book. So we will have two references. One is Betty Azar's book, yang ini. Mana nih? Yang ini. Ya, ini bisa kalian baca sendiri juga karena banyak penjelasannya, nggak cuma tentang materi kita selama 1 semester, but also another structure of English grammar. And then this one is our core references. Jadi untuk exercise book. Gitu. Jadi kita mesti we use this module. Okay, and yeah, usually I take the example and also the exercise in our class by using this. Oke, ada pertanyaan soal references-nya? Nah, kalau references yang lain yang nggak dalam bentuk buku itu saya share di LMS ya. Misalkan ini kan penjelasan gitu. And then I put some videos that is related to our material gitu. And then I will also explain this in our live Zoom meeting. Gitu. Kalau misalkan nanti kita nggak ada jadwal live Zoom meeting, I will use a video. Jadi misalkan saya jelasinnya tuh pakai video, saya upload di YouTube, ntar ada penjelasan suara penjelasan saya seperti itu. Jadi biar nggak boros-boros kuota amat ya. Gitu guys, jadi kalian nggak usah khawatir. Ya, we will use it optimally, but without any demanding requirement. Okay. Yang WA saya, maaf ya slow respon karena saya juga sambil ngejelasin. Ada pertanyaan nggak guys?
Not yet, Miss.
Oke. Kalau kelas yang lain tuh udah mulai materi guys hari ini. Jadi kita materinya besok aja ya. Kita mulai besok aja guys. Ini kelas sebelah tuh grammar. Kelas F udah mulai. Kita
Miss,
besok aja.
saya mau nanya.
Yes, Tim.
Untuk apa? Untuk absen yang pertama besok itu kita harus absennya sebelum jadwalnya atau sesudah jadwalnya ya, Miss?
Biasanya sebelum itu udah bisa diakses sih. Tapi ini biasanya sih saya set biar saya yang ngeklikin aja.
Gitu.
Jadi besok saya yang ngeklikin juga aja. Jadi kalian nggak perlu ngeklik gitu.
Iya.
So, nanti
berarti
saya ngeklikin aja.
Pertemuan besok nggak usah ini akses ke LMS buat absen. Iya.
Atau untuk
Miss.
Absensi nggak usah. Oke, nah misalkan kalian udah bisa akses belajar, kalian baca dulu ini ya. Kalian baca materinya yang di exercise book sama nonton videonya. Jadi biar besok itu if you have question tuh langsung ditanyain. Kan kadang tuh kalau misalkan dijelasin itu kan we need time to digest and to understand kan. Nah, itu kan biasanya tuh pertanyaan itu belum muncul pas kelas. Gitu kan. Jadi saran saya ya, I recommend you to read the material first and then the videos, like you did some the exercise. Nanti saya minta kalian buat kerjain exercise di exercise book ya, biar besok kalian ada bahan pertanyaan. Nah, jadi biar kalian tuh udah punya pertanyaan dari rumah gitu ya guys. Tapi tomorrow I will explain the materials also. Nah, ini besok kita bakal ngebahas basic sentence pattern, kan ada 5. Nah, itu kita akan bahas jenis-jenis kalimat berdasarkan verb-nya. Nah, ini. But first ya, you need to understand subject and predicator. Predicator itu biasanya to be atau verb dalam kalimat. Nah, kalian pahami dulu subject itu yang kayak apa. Nah, predicator itu bentuknya apa aja, dan kalau misalkan verb-nya itu seperti ini, dia jenis kalimat apa gitu. Ya. Oke guys, ya for tomorrow's class, ya kalian ntar habis ini tolong download modulnya, terus kalian kerjakan yang exercise 1, ini ya, halaman berapa nih? Mana halamannya nggak kelihatan? Gimana guys, halamannya lo nggak ada halamannya? Ya pokoknya chapter 1, exercise 1, ya, yang ini underline the subject, ya biar kalian paham lah, subjek itu yang mana, sama yang exercise 2, ya, sama exercise 3. 1, 2, 3, exercise 1, 2, 3 gitu. Itu cuma cari subject, predicate, sama complement. Ya syukur-syukur kalian juga bisa ngerjainnya exercise 4 dan selanjutnya gitu guys. But yang mau kita bahas tuh yang besok ini 1, 2, 3 gitu. Jadi biar cepet. Soalnya kan materi kita banyak. Kalau misalkan kita habisin cuma buat diskusi exercise tuh kayaknya nggak bakal cukup. Apalagi kita nggak ada kelas tutor. Biasanya kalau exercise, soal-soal tuh di kelas tutor gitu. Jadi kita paling nggak harus gercep gitu di kelas ini. Kalian siap gerak cepat bersama saya di kelas ini? Kita mau apa itu namanya? Lari sprint. Istilahnya kita sprint. We are going to be sprinter in English Grammar 1 class. Gitu. Terus biasanya, by the way, kalian punya akun Instagram nggak? Ada yang nggak punya? Mungkin? Ya, kalau misalkan nggak punya, kalian bikin akun Instagram khusus buat kelas ini ya. So usually I will ask you to make a caption, ya, by using the materials from the grammar. Misalkan kita lagi ngebahas transitive verbs. Nah, nanti kalian saya minta buat bikin caption pakai transitive verbs gitu. Terus nanti kita bikin hashtag sendiri. Nah, nanti akan saya pilih beberapa post untuk ditampilkan ketika kelas gitu. Biasanya kayak gitu. Nah, itu masuk salah satu aspek penilaian yang assignments ya. Jadi kayak weekly assignments, online assignments gitu. Nah, only making caption gitu paling enggak. Itu udah dasar banget. Gitu guys. So, we will set this up later. Nanti kita bikin hashtagnya bareng-bareng besok. Ya. Ada pertanyaan soal ini? Ya, yang penting exercise 1, 2, 3 ya. Kalian baca-baca dulu materinya gitu ya. Kalau misalkan kalian nggak paham, besok ditanyain gitu. Kalau misalkan dengan penjelasan saya belum paham, besok ditanyain. Yes, gimana? Bung?
Ini untuk terkait exercise ini wajib disubmit nggak Miss? Atau cuman kayak cuman coba-coba aja gitu?
Coba-coba aja. Nggak usah disubmit dulu.
Okay.
Daripada nanti pada error gitu kan. Sebenarnya sih saya udah nyiapin linknya, cuma ya nggak usah, nggak apa-apa. Kita untuk bahan besok aja biar kita ada diskusi. Kalian punya what is it like a background knowledge, biar kalian punya dasarnya buat yang dibahas. Jadi nggak kalian datang dalam otak kosong gitu kan. Kalian tahu dikit-dikit. Jadi ketika kita diskusi itu bisa nyambung gitu kan. Okay. So I will wait for your questions ya guys. Besok saya bikin, kalau mau presensi harus tanya. Tiap orang harus tanya, ayo. Jadi kalian siapin pertanyaan ya, minimal 1 aja. Ntar saya yang bingung ya, ngejawabinnya banyak banget. Oke, ada pertanyaan nggak guys soal exercise booknya? Oke, yes.
I would like to ask,
Yes.
may I print the books?
Oh, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Like the hard copy version. And if someday or next time you want to use the hard copy version, yeah, if I ask you to submit the exercise, yeah, you can type your answer on Microsoft Word, or you can send me the photo of your hard copy version. Gitu.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
Oke. Emang lebih enak di print sih guys. Kalau kelas saya yang tahun lalu di kelas cutting kalian juga saya print, mereka print juga gitu. Saya kan kadang kalau nggak di print itu kurang mantep nggak sih guys, nggak bisa coret-coret. And then you can use also for taking notes. Jadi kalau misalkan saya pas ngejelasin, walaupun di record kan kadang you like to make notes kan, and then you can directly make the notes on your module, ya, printed one. Jadi biar kalian belajar itu langsung dalam satu buku, so you don't have like separate notebook, this one module, this one your course book kayak gitu kan. Jadi biar ya it's one way to to make it more simple and accessible, effective in studying itu. Another question guys, ada pertanyaan lain lagi nggak? Nggak. Oke. Kalau misalkan kalian tiba-tiba terpikir ada pertanyaan, bisa dilempar di grup ya. Terus saya di tag ya, biar nggak ketumpuk. Kadang suka ketumpuk. Nah ini, sebenarnya saya udah nyiapin beberapa materi sih, tapi memang belum lengkap. Beberapa juga saya hidden, karena ada quiz-quiznya. Nanti kalau misalkan saya nggak hidden, ini kalian bisa ikut quiz dari sekarang ya. Futuristik. Oke, ya. Intinya itu, besok kita ngebahas yang basic sentence pattern. Jadi we will talk about what is subject, what is predicator, what is object, what is complement, bedanya objek sama complement itu apa. Jadi what is it like, the unsur-unsur kalimat gitulah. Soalnya beda unsur kalimat itu akan menentukan beda tipe kalimat. And then this materials is very important for you guys, as this is like the basic skills or basic understanding, so that you could understand a more comprehensive and more complicated concept later in this class or perhaps in English grammar too. Jadi tetap ada kaitannya. Dan biasanya tuh kalau misalkan kalian lupa materi ini, nanti di materi selanjutnya you will have to recall your memories or repeat these lessons kayak gitu. Ada kaitannya, tetap ada kaitannya sama nanti selesai kuliah grammar. Biasanya tuh begitu kelar mid, yang materi-materi awal tuh udah pada lupa guys. Apalagi tesnya tuh nggak dari awal kan. Ya, jadi walaupun ini nggak jadi materi ujian, tapi paling nggak you need to understand the concept as it will be used later in another subject. Gitu. Another question? What is your name? Your nickname? Eugene? Gina?
Eugene.
Oh ya, yeah. Okay, Eugene. Thank you. Another questions, guys? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Okay. Henry, ada pertanyaan nggak? Okay. Kalau misalkan kamu tadi ketinggalan, you can check on the YouTube ya, later if I have uploaded it. Semoga nggak lemot. Okay guys, do you have questions guys? Tenang aja kalau misalkan next time atau besok nggak bisa akses LMS, Usually I made a backup on Google Form gitu. Kalau ada waktunya cukup. Kalau enggak ya kita kayak kelas tradisional aja. Kayak kirim email gitu. Don't worry about that. Ada pertanyaan nggak, guys? Oke. Oke, guys. So, sekarang, if you have no question, saya mau kenalan sama kalian ya. I want to know you better one by one by using the attendance list. Jadi saya klik di punya saya aja. Ya. Semoga semuanya udah masuk. Bentar, saya cek WA dulu. Siapa tahu ada yang belum masuk. Oke. Brian thrown out of the meeting. Okay. Can you rejoin? Bentar ya, guys. Nanti kita foto bareng ya, guys. Aduh, pusing juga banyak WA. Oke, guys. Saya panggil satu-satu dulu ya. I want to know your nickname and also your hometown. Jadi, kalau misalkan saya panggil nama pengenjang kalian, tolong sebutkan nama panggilan kalian dan juga asal. Okay. Okay, from the first students in my class, Arfianti Jili, Vanessa.
I'm here, Miss.
Hello. What's
Hello,
your
Miss. My nickname is Jill.
Okay, Jill.
And I come from North Sulawesi.
North Sulawesi. So what city are you in?
Manado, Miss.
Oh, I see, Manado. Okay.
But I was born in Jayapura, Papua.
I see. So you've been, moving a lot, it seems.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Jill. Nice to
Thank you,
meet
Miss.
you.
Nice to meet you too, Miss.
Oke, lanjut Deska Giovanni. Oke, di mute. Okay. Hello.
I'm usually called Deska.
Deska, okay.
And I came from Palangkaraya, Kalimantan Tengah.
Palangkaraya. Okay, thank you. Deska, ya.
Right.
Okay, Jill Deska. Yeah. I hope I could memorize all your names and face, guys. Ya, semoga bisa ya walaupun virtual. Jadi kalau misalkan besok udah offline kelas, bisa saya sapa gitu ya. Siapa ya? Oke, lanjut Alfonsus Bagaskara Widiantono. Where are you? Yeah.
I'm here.
Hello.
Hi, my nickname is Alphon. I live in Yogyakarta.
Okay, Alphon from Yogyakarta. Thank you, Alphon.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you. Okay, lanjut Freddy. Is it also your nickname? Ada Freddy enggak? Freddy, where are you? Are you here? Ada yang tahu Freddy kemana? Nah, saya tandain dulu ya. Tapi tuh dia bener ada di kelas kalian kan? Oke, lanjut Eugenia.
Hi, Miss. Hi, all. My nickname is Eugene, and I from Tangerang.
Okay, thank you, Eugene from Tangerang. Okay, everything is all right there?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, good. Stay safe then. Okay, continue to Hildebertus PM. Wow. Mungkin sih saya mau tanya PM-nya apa, Pak?
Miss
Halo.
Paulinus Hildebert, Paulinus Mewawu.
Panjangnya apa tadi?
Paulinus PM. Hildebertus Paulinus Mewawu.
Oh, I see.
PM.
Panjang juga ya. Okay. So, in your nickname?
My nickname Derry. You can call me Derry.
Derry.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm from NTT, Timur.
Okay, thank you, Derry. So, what city are you in, Derry?
Jogja.
Okay, so nice to meet you. I hope everyone is safe there. Thank you, Derry. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Okay, let's continue to Erika.
Hi, Miss.
Hello.
Yeah, my name is Vela. You can call me Vela, and I came from Jogja.
Okay, Vela ya. Thank you, Vela.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
Okay, continue to Yosafat Mario.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
My name is Yosi, and I live in Jogja.
Yosi? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Yosi.
You're welcome.
And then, oh, now it's your turn, Agung.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyagung Aditya Kusuma, and I have 3 nicknames. And that is Agung, Aditya, and Deka. But mostly people call me Agung or Aditya. But you can choose whatever it is you want to call me from the 3 nicknames that I told you guys about.
Okay, it seems that different groups calls you by different nickname. Perhaps your schoolmates Agung, or your another group calls you Adit, DK.
Well, mostly they call me Aditya.
Aditya. Oh, okay. Thank you, Agung. Yeah, I will go on by Agung, yeah.
Okay, Miss. It's okay. Chill.
Okay, thank you, Agung. And then next to Aurelia Abigail. Hello. Okay, Aurelia. Okay. Thank you, Aurel. Okay, nice to meet you. Let's continue to Maria Marcelia. Maria Marcelia Angelica. Seems that some of you have long name, like I do too. Ada nggak Maria Marcelia? Nggak ada? Oke, saya tandain dulu. Xenia Gabriela. Okay. Xenia, I cannot hear your voice. Ini cuma saya apa yang lain juga? Bentar. Xenia, can you repeat? Bisa kedengeran? Yang lain bisa dengar atau saya doang yang nggak bisa dengar?
I can't hear it, ma'am.
I can't hear.
Oh.
Only you, Miss, the one who can hear it.
I cannot hear it also. Okay, it's okay. Xenia. So, what's her nickname? Coba ada yang bisa ngasih tahu ke saya. Oh ya, lewat chat box. Good. Xenia. Okay. Nice to meet you, Xenia. Kayak nama mobil ya. Keren kok tapi. Thank you, Xenia. Nice to meet you. Oke, kita lanjut ke Alvira, Amalia. Ada nggak Alvira? Alvira, are you there? Nadanya Almira, itu saya. Nggak ada, ya udah saya tandain. Salah bukan. Angela, Christine. Angela, nggak ada. Oh ini, Angela, oke. Ya, bisa. I can hear you. Oke, so what is your nickname? Saya dengar tapi kayak keputih. Oke, Angel ya? Oh, oke. Oke, Angela, thank you. Nice to meet you. Angela. Alright. Thank you. Lanjut, Agatha. Thank you. Agatha, are you there? Agatha. Nanti kalau misalkan saya kelewatan, saya dikasih tahu ya. Agatha, are you there? Nggak ada. Okay, Beyond, it's your turn now.
Hi, Miss.
Hello.
You can call me Beyond, and I'm from Bali Denpasar.
Okay, nice to meet you, Beyond, from Denpasar. Okay. Yeah, I hope soon we could see each other like directly, you guys, in the class. Okay, next, Gabriel Pinkan.
My name is Gaby.
Oh, Gaby.
And yes, I'm from Makassar, North Sulawesi.
Oh, Makassar. Okay, thank you, Gaby. Thank you. Okay, Gaby from Makassar. Fatin Farah. Wibowo. Nice.
My name is Fatin.
Fatin.
I'm from Karawang.
Karawang. Okay, thank you, Fatin. Safina Meira Yosari.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
My nickname is Vina. I'm from
Vina. Okay, nice to meet you, Vina.
Nice to meet you, Miss.
Okay, next, Caroline Mutiara Fitya.
Hi, Miss.
Hello.
My nickname is Olin.
Olin, okay.
I'm from Surabaya.
Surabaya, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Olin. See you. Oh, nice to meet you. Kok see you?
Nice to meet you too.
Oke, Rian udah bisa masuk lagi nggak? Rian udah bisa masuk lagi kah? Nah, halo Rian.
Udah, Miss.
Oke.
Udah.
Bentar, Riannya ada dua ya?
Ya.
Ini Rian yang Agustinus. Bentar ya, Rian Muhammad Agustinus.
Oke, Miss.
Halo. Oke.
My name is Rian. I'm from Sleman, Yogyakarta.
From Sleman, oke. Thank you, Rian.
Sama.
Terus tadi yang ke-kick dari meeting? Ya, kamu atau Rian?
Saya Miss yang ketik dari
yang
ketik dari meeting saya tadi.
Saya juga, Miss. Saya juga.
Terus sekarang udah bisa masuk lagi ya. Gak apa-apa, kita sulap aja. Thank you. Nanti sekalian Rian 2 deh. Perkenalan.
Oke, Miss.
Sama-sama.
Ya, my name is Muhammad Rian Arsila Putra. You can call me Rian. I'm from Padang, Sumatera Barat.
Padang. Oke. Udah Rian. Terus kalau di kelas ngebedain Rian 1 sama Rian 2 gimana?
I'm from West Sumatra.
Gak tahu.
Gimana ya ngebedainnya ya? Satu Rian, satu Ryan.
Satu Agus, Miss.
Agus? Oh ya, oke boleh deh. Berarti Rian Sleman jadinya Agus ya. Agus Rian. Berarti Rian Padang.
I'm from West Sumatra. Barat.
Ya, siapa tadi yang kenalan? Oke. Asela? Kita lanjut ya. Thank you Rian. Rian, benar. Yang ini Rian. Thank you Agus and Rian. Oke. Can we continue to Asela? Ada nggak Asela?
Ada, Miss.
Oke. Yuk lanjut. Okay, so what is your nickname, Sal? Halo, Asela? You can introduce yourself by using the chat box. Okay, so let's continue with Valentina Pascalia. Are you there? Okay.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
My nickname is Valen.
Valen.
And I came from Surakarta.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. Surakarta. Thanks, Valen. Let's continue with Maria Fionita.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi, Miss.
Yes.
My name is Maria Fionita Febrianti Kusumanidias. So usually call me Fio. And I came from Surakarta.
Surakarta, okay. What is your nickname again?
Fio.
Fio, okay. Thanks, yes. Fio. All right, nice to see you. And then to see you. Thank you. Reski Dwi. Reski. Don't forget to unmute. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, you can call me Johannes, and I'm from West Borneo. Yes.
Oh, Allah. Okay, Johannes. So I need to make a note on your nickname. Okay, thank you, Johannes.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, continue to Rian udah. Stanislas Koska. Koska ya? Koska. Hello.
My name is Koska and I'm from Yogyakarta.
Okay. Hello, Koska. Nice to see you. Okay. Continue to Stephanie Lauretta.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay, my name is Stephanie Lauretta Andriana. You can call me Laura. And I'm in Jepara Central Jakarta right now.
Okay, Lala ya. Okay, thank you, Lala. Thank you. Okay.
Laura, Miss.
Oh, Laura. Okay. Laura.
Yeah.
Okay, sip. Thank you. Ini screen saya sih nunjukin apa? Bentar. Oke. Mungkin saya stop share aja ya biar kelihatan wajah-wajahnya. Kan kita mau perkenalan. Oh, I forgot to did that. Sorry guys. Oke, lanjut ke Andrea Fiantisha. Tisha, kenalan Tis. Biar teman-temanmu juga pada kenal. Tisha mana Tisha? Tadi ada.
She got bad signal.
Oh, I see. Oke, ya. It's okay. Tadi saya lihat Tisha kok. Yaudah, kita lanjut ke Pulau. Are you there? Ada nggak? Apakah kamu sudah ikut? No? Oke. Yaudah, lanjut ke Vira. Vir, it's your turn now.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
My nickname is Vira, or you can call me Viranda, whatever you want, and I am from Jogja.
Okay, thank you, Vira. Nice to meet you. And then continue with Regina. Ray.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
My nickname is Regina. I'm from Jogja.
Okay, nice to meet you, Regina.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, now it's your turn, Mitang.
Hey guys, y'all can call me Ritang. I'm from Jogja.
Okay, thank you, Ritang. And then Henry.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's your turn.
You can call me Henry. I'm from North Borneo.
Okay, thank you, Henry. He's from North Borneo. Okay, and then the last in my list, Jovita. Jo?
Hi, Miss.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
You can call me Jovi. Oh yeah, hi everyone. You can call me Jovi, and I'm from Bogor.
Okay. Thank you, Jovi.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Sip, so I have called everyone. Ada yang belum saya panggil nggak? Saya berdasarkan yang ada di presensi ini. Ada yang belum masuk? Yang belum saya panggil, adakah? Okay, guys. So, yeah. I think that's all for today, ya, guys. I have known your name and also I have marked your attendance list. Dan juga nanti kalau misalkan yang tadi nggak bisa join tadi di tengah-tengah tiba-tiba keluar, just let me know in the group. Nanti kalian tolong bilangin ke teman-teman kalian, or I could share it in our group, and we will see each other again tomorrow, yeah, at the same time, but different Zoom meeting link. And please do exercise 1, 2, and 3, and also read the explanation of the basic sentence structure, particularly in identifying subject, predicator, object, complement, and also adjunct. Jadi, saya harap kalian sebelum kelas itu sudah punya gambaran mengenai identifikasi subjek, predikat atau verb ya, objek, complement, dan juga adjunct atau keterangan dalam kalimat itu. Jadi biar kalian lebih mudah menghafalkan jenis-jenis kalimat berdasarkan verb. And then, karena udah jam segini, mending kita kuisnya besok aja sekalian ya. sebenarnya kuis ya warm up activity atau mau sekarang ya. Do you want to have it now or tomorrow guys? Ya sebenarnya cuma kayak survei-survei kayak main Kahoot gitu loh. Coba sekarang atau besok guys, voting. Gimana?
I think tomorrow will be a great idea, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow is okay, so that we could have more time, yeah. Yes. Okay, guys. So I think that's all for today. If you have questions about the syllabus or the materials for our classes, feel free to contact me or ask in the group, ya guys. Kalau bisa di grup aja ya. Kalau misalkan chat itu takutnya everyone has got the same question and I have to answer all of the questions. Okay guys, so by the way, do you have another class after this? Ada pertanyaan kah? Ada kelas lain pas setelah ini?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Ada lagi? Oke, semangat ya guys. Ya, semoga hari ini menyenangkan and kalian ada pertanyaan kan? Ya, sebelum I officially end this session. No? No, I hope everyone can can have the excitement, yeah, to join this grammar class, yeah. Although this might be difficult, if we are together, yeah, we could pass it with with our victory, yeah. Okay, guys. So I guess that's all. Thank you very much for attending the Zoom class, yeah. And I'm very happy to finally meet you all. Yeah, I've been waiting for several months to meet you in this class. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow, and please keep update from the group. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. You can leave now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.